Okay, we're going to get started, okay? Good afternoon, everyone at General Herkimer. Welcome to our first PBIS assembly for the 21-22 school year. I wish that all of your families could be here in person, but because of COVID, we have to do this virtually for now. Okay, so to help your parents out though, I am recording this whole thing, just so you know. Okay, and then we can share it with your parents afterwards. So our word this month was responsibility. So I'm just going to show a quick video, a few minutes long, and you can learn about responsibility, and then I'll get to our students of the month. Okay, give me just a second while I share that screen with you. Sorry about that. I forgot to click the sound button, so I got to reshare. Give me 1 second. Okay, hopefully everyone can hear it this time.
Let's learn about being responsible. Here's my friend Mia.
Hi, good to see you again. Shoo. Shoo. Shoo, you're late.
You are late, Shoo. Sorry, guys.
Being on time is important. It shows that you're being responsible.
I want to know more about being responsible.
I want to learn about being responsible too.
Okay. Wake up and get yourself dressed. Wash up and make up your bed. These things are not just the right thing to do. It's being responsible too. Hey, get ready for school. On time, it's a very good rule. These things are not just the right thing to do. 'Cause you're being responsible too. Being responsible too. Be a helper helping out. Doing things around the house. Keep your room neat and clean. Show responsibility. When you can show that you're big now, you can always count on me. You will be trusted, trusted with many, many other things. Wake up and get yourself dressed. Wash up and make up your bed. These things are not just the right thing to do. It's being responsible too. Hey, get ready for school.
All right, sorry, I understand that some of you couldn't hear that. Sorry, I didn't want to stop while we were recording. So if you would like to review that, I can send that link to you later on so you can hear the song that they were singing, okay? So boys and girls, your teachers have chosen someone from your classroom who has shown that they are able to be responsible in the past month since school started. So I'm going to go ahead and read those certificates now. Can everyone hear me talking, even if you couldn't hear the video? All right, great. We're going to start with kindergarten. Our first class is Mrs. D'Angelo's class. From Mrs. D'Angelo's class, we have Natalie Goding. Natalie is doing a great job in kindergarten. Since the first day of school, she has been excited and ready to learn. Natalie puts forth her best effort in everything she does in and out of the classroom. She is always prepared and eager to complete her work. Natalie is a kindergarten rock star. Congratulations, Natalie. From Mrs. Brooks's kindergarten classroom, we have Tahe Moody. Tahe Moody has been a role model in our kindergarten classroom. He is always prepared for class, takes good care of his school material, and always does his best on his classwork. I can always count on Tahe Moody to be actively involved in any lesson. I am so proud of what a responsible student he is. Keep up the excellent work, Tahe Moody. From Mrs. Mergenthaler's kindergarten classroom, Jackson Herringshaw. Jackson is a great role model. He works hard on all tasks, and he is positive and encouraging. Jackson tries his best and makes learning fun. Keep up the great work, Jackson. Our last kindergarten student is from Mrs. Scacia's classroom, Phoebe Baffa. Phoebe is a very responsible kindergarten student. I can always count on her to be doing what is expected. She is a fabulous role model for our class, and I am so proud of her. Congratulations, Phoebe. Let's give a round of applause for all of our kindergarten students of the month. All right, thank you. Moving on to first grade. From Mrs. Griffith's first grade, Everett Cook. Everett is an extremely responsible student. He comes to school on time every day, prepared to learn. He participates in class and always does what is asked of him. I am so proud of Everett. He is a great role model to his peers. Keep up the good work, Everett. From Mrs. Greco's class, Yanis Mohammed. Yanis shows responsibility by coming to school every day, completing his work, and following school rules. Great job, Yanis. From Miss Bowling's first grade, Alex Piperata. Alex is extremely respectful to his teachers and classmates. He helps contribute to a healthy learning environment by following directions, staying on task, and helping his peers. Congratulations, Alex. From Mrs. Trexler's first grade, Jana El-Sad. Jana is a responsible student. She makes sure to have all necessary material to complete tasks. She is responsible when returning things to school. She is a good role model. Good job, Jana. From Mrs. Van Duzen's first grade classroom, Medina Nar. Medina works very hard. She is a role model for our class. She is always on task. She completes her work on time and neatly. She helps others when she is asked. Medina shows others by example. Great job, Medina. In our last first grade classroom, Mrs. Williams, we have Kadiga. Kadiga is a model student. She always has materials ready and is willing to learn. Kadiga pays attention at all times and takes an active role in her learning. She is a star in first grade. Keep up the good work, Kadiga. Congratulations to all of our first graders. All right, let's move on to second grade. From Mrs. Fernald's class, we have Roshad Reed. Roshad is a very responsible student. He comes to school each day with his materials and is ready to learn. Roshad is a student that we can all count on to make good choices. Great job, Roshad. From Ms. Jones's second grade, Lule Hamadi. I chose Lule for our student of the month because of how responsible she is. She always has her homework done. She comes to school prepared to learn and follows all our classroom rules. Keep up the great work, Lule. From Mrs. Karras' second grade, Edwin Heredia. Edwin is a very responsible student. I can always count on him to follow directions and always make the right choice. Edwin is always willing to help others in class. He is a pleasure to have in my class. Good job, Edwin. From Mrs. Rolfero's second grade, Franny Salome. Franny was chosen for Student of the Month because she demonstrates responsibility every day. She uses her time wisely, makes good choices, and completes her homework. Franny is a wonderful role model to her peers. Congratulations, Franny. In our last second grade class, Mrs. Wadsworth's class, we have Lilia Malleus. Lilia demonstrates the skill of responsibility on a daily basis. She raises her hand often, is on task during lessons, and hands her homework in weekly. She follows directions and completes all of her classwork. Lilia is a responsible student. Keep up the good work, Lilia. Congratulations to all of our second grade students of the month. Okay, and now we have our last grade level we're going to do this afternoon, Mrs. Fiorini's third grade class. We have Carrick No. Carrick is a responsible and cooperative student. I can always count on him to set a good example. Carrick is always ready to work and tries his best. He has an excellent attitude towards school and his classmates. Carrick is definitely a good role model for his class. Keep up the good work, Carrick. From Mrs. LePage's third grade, Payson Bolinsky. Payson is a model third grade student. She is bright, kind, and enthusiastic about learning. Payson is a hard worker and can be trusted to take on any responsibility given to her. She is a true pleasure to have in class. Good job, Payson. From Mrs. Lauer's third grade, Ensar Sutkovic. Ensar is a very responsible student. He comes in each day and follows the morning procedures and begins his work right away. Ensar is always prepared with all of his materials. He's always willing to participate in class activities. Ensar is a role model for other students. I am lucky to be his teacher. Keep up the great work, Ensar. From Ms. Phillips's third grade, Brian Nasby. Brian is an awesome addition to our class. He always remembers line order, our schedule, and completes his work on time while helping others. Great job, Brian. From Mrs. Scalise's third grade, Lila Obeck. Lila is a very conscientious young lady. She is always very responsible for her schoolwork. She hands in work she's proud of daily. I'm proud of you, Lila. In our last class, from Mrs. Young's class, we have Lily Joy. Lily is a model student. She quickly learned and began following our school and classroom rules. She even helps to encourage others to do the same. Lily takes responsibility for her own work and asks questions when she has them. Lily also completes her homework every night. Lily demonstrates exceptional classroom behavior and is always kind to others. Lily, keep up the great work. Congratulations to our third graders. All right, let's give one big round of applause to all of our students of the month from kindergarten all the way up to third grade. Great job, everyone. All right, now that you all heard what it takes to earn to be student of the month, I'm hoping that you can all work extra hard and maybe you'll be student of the month next month, okay? All right, congratulations to everyone. The students of the month will receive a certificate and a charm that they will get sometime during the day tomorrow, okay? We'll make sure that you get those before you leave tomorrow for the end of the day, okay? All right, thank you everyone and have a great afternoon.